Okay guys, so pakita namin sa inyo kung saan kami sasakay mamaya. Kasi dito sa Hobbiton, hindi ka basta pwedeng mag-drive around Hobbiton. So kailangan sumakay ka ng bus or ng van nila and tour kayo, merong tour guide na kasama habang nagtutour sa loob ng Hobbiton. Pakita ko yung bus na sasakyan namin. Ayan guys, dyan kami sasakay mamaya. We are going to ride here later. Wow! Kailangan natin mag-check-in, di ba? Hindi ko din alam. Hanapin natin. Doon yata banda. Check-in daw there. Sabi check-in. What's that, ate? What's that, ate? Ay. The ticket? Oh, the map. Patingin nga ng map na yan.
Amazing!
These are the tickets.
Where are the tickets? Show them the tickets. Here you go. That's $80, no? Per ticket? $80?
Daddy.
May ka lang dyan.
Hobbiton was loosely inspired by the West Midlands of England, which is where I was raised, and I can tell you this is really authentic. So embrace this. But we've got a couple of videos to play for you as well, if I can get them working. And you'll be hearing from two very important people. One of them is Russell Alexander. He's the man who created this tourism experience that you're going to enjoy today, and he worked very closely with the other important man, Sir Peter Jackson. He's the director of The Hobbit and the Lord of the Rings. And if you don't know what Russell looks like, he's the guy with no hair. And if you don't even know who Sir Peter Jackson is, you are on your own. You'll have to figure that one out for yourselves. But sit back and enjoy, and I'll be in touch with you.
Hello, I just wanted to welcome you on your journey to Hobbiton. I'm very, very pleased that you're able to take the time to go visit our set. It's great when you're making a movie, everything's so temporary. The film survives, but the sets and the costumes and the props that you make, that they all just get thrown away. And so I'm delighted that Hobbiton has managed to survive, and I'm really pleased that you're
Right, quick health and safety, especially to our younger hobbits. You need to pay attention to this. We've got an electric fence that runs all the way around the movie set. Don't touch the wire, whatever you do. If you do, by accident, grab your parents and find out what happens. Okay? That's my only advice. Other than that, we are going to be sticking together in this group today, and I will, of course, unleash you at various points.
Irish, hello.
Welcome, guys. Come on in. We're just going to gather around this little fence here, so feel free to fill up the spaces so you can all see me. You guys can come on round this way and join me. Stand this way.
Ang cute! Cute oh! Ang cute naman ng mga Hobbit house. kape. Hobbit. Opa. Apa. Pwede naman yata nang mismo sa ano ni Bilbo eh. Ang ganda ng view.
Doon sila nag-party. Sila
Oo.
Bilbo doon.
Diyan nag-party sina Bilbo. So anong meron doon?
Yun, doon sila nag-party-party kaya lang hindi tayo inimbitahan. Kaya baba. Bibisita natin si Bilbo.
Oh, sige, sige.
Magpapaparty tayo doon.
Bilbo Baggins' house.
No, thank you. We don't want any more visitors, well-wishers, or distant relations.
And what about very old friends? Bilbo Baggins.
Sam's house.
No, it actually stops here. This is an artificial window that they've just mounted in, and some of the chimneys don't really connect in either, but this one does. This one goes all the way down.
Kaninong bahay yan?
Daddy.
I've lit that chimney quite a
Sam
few times myself.
Kaninong bahay?
Sam.
Sam who?
Milby.
Milby.
Sam Pin.
Sampin.
Did the bar myself, so we'll find it.
Okay, let's go.
Let's go.
Mami, pwede din ako minupagpir. Yung
Tour guide? Green dragon. Keep off the grass, dun pa siya tumapak. Ang galing talaga nito eh. Ginger beer. Ano sa atin, ha?
Ginger beer.
Ginger beer. Okay. How about you, ate?
my hot chocolate.
Yeah.
Ginger beer. Ginger beer. Yeah.
And
One hot chocolate. Two ginger beer.
So it's not hot chocolate, it's Milo.
Oh, yeah.
That's okay. You just make it yourself. So it's a couple of things. Just
And one more.
One more.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Cheers. Go over there.
I like it.
Ginger beer. Sorry. Let's go there. The other side. This is yum, no? Ayan. So you can have Milo, coffee, and a ginger beer. Ginger beer. How's the taste? Wow! Kailangan may tunog-tunog.
Welcome to Hobbiton.
How's the experience? Pabalik na kami sa bus. So, tapos na yung ating tour. Na-enjoy naman namin. Ang ganda ng Hobbiton. In general, talagang maganda yung view. And, although, yung weather, medyo maulan, okay lang naman. Alright guys, so that's the end of our adventure here in Hobbiton.